Hi, I'm Tony Guthrie, the owner of Kleaneasy Quality Carpet Cleaning, and that's me you see there in the picture, and I'm the gentleman that'll be coming into your home or business to do cleaning, should I be privileged enough to have the opportunity to earn your business. And one of the reasons you're watching this particular video is because you're one of those kind of people that wants to know as much as possible about a company or the people who are going to be coming into your home or business. Because in this day and age, you really just can't be too careful, and you just are the kind of person that wants to know as much as you can. And so I want to do everything I can to be as honest and upfront with you as possible and tell you a little bit about me and just invite you to call me anytime, whether it's to book an appointment or just to ask about me and my company and why I do what I do, and just give you some peace of mind that we could work well together, and I would, again, love the opportunity to earn your business. But I did want to put together this very brief presentation to sort of go over some of my credentials and some of my background and hopefully encourage you to give me a call and allow me the privilege to give you a price quote and to earn your business. So with that said, let me just go through a few things here that I think that you need to know. The second slide here is one of my certifications with the IICRC. That is the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Certification. Now, this is the entity that certifies carpet, upholstery, textile, hardwood cleaners, and others throughout America and around the world. They have very rigorous training in how upholstery and furnishings are made, particularly the fabric weavings, the types of fabrics, the ways that they should be cleaned, very intense training in how certain carpet fibers are made, the difference between oriental rugs and area rugs, and all the types of carpet that are out there, and the best training techniques on cleaning that are out there that have been created and devised. And so a serious carpet cleaner, a serious upholstery cleaner, is someone who is going to want to go through the courses offered by the IICRC and be certified. If a company that you call cannot show you their IICRC card or certificate, then very simply, this is not a company that you want to do business with. I've been involved in the cleaning industry since 1980, and I can promise you there are a lot of people out there who just go and work for someone, go through a week-long training at the office, and then they put them on the van and send them out there. This is not the kind of person you want in your home. You want to ask this question: are you certified by the IICRC? It's as simple as that. There are a lot of us out there, and you can certainly feel confident when you call one of us who does have that designation. So again, I'm very proud of this designation, and I wanted to share it with you. Also, the IICRC offers other trainings in actually how to run a carpet cleaning or an upholstery cleaning or a textile cleaning business on principles of integrity, principles of value that you're going to offer to your clientele. If you are a graduate of Strategies for Success, you are a person who is saying to your customers that I know that if I take care of you, if I meet or exceed your expectations in your cleaning, and I offer you value for your buck, then the money will take care of itself. I won't have to worry about trying to give you the cheapest price out there, because the customers that call me are not interested in the cheapest price, but they certainly don't want to be scammed and pay way more than they should. They want a fair price and a great deal of value for their money. And this is what people who go through Strategies for Success are trained to do and actually want to do, that they actually build upon that desire that we bring to the course. So I will tell you that my price will never be the lowest, but it will certainly never be the highest. It will be fair, reasonable price that allows me to provide for you the highest quality service and at the same time earn a reasonable living. And I think that that's something that you would be good with. It's a win-win for both of us. And on top of that, there's so much value beyond just cleaning that you get for what you pay me that I can only share with you when I meet with you in person. A lot of bang for the buck, so to speak. Another certification is this one through the National Academy of Von Schroeder Associates, the NAVSA affiliation. Now, Von Schroeder is a company that's been around for 75 years. They are a leader in the carpet and upholstery cleaning business, you can simply go to their website, vonschroeder.com, and you can see their heritage. They've been around for a very, very long time. They have put thousands and thousands of people in business as carpet and upholstery and ceiling tile cleaners. And this is a company of extreme integrity. And to become a member of the NAVSA organization, the National Academy of Von Schroeder Associates, means that you have passed some of their certification courses, that you have bought your equipment from them, you have been trained by them, and you hold to their standards of high integrity, doing business on an ethical level, and that your desire more than anything else is to please your customer, offer value to the customer, and again, the money will take care of itself. This is what Von Schroeder stands for. It's one of the reasons I'm affiliated with them, and it's just a lot of fun talking to those people and working with them because they're some of the best people on the face of the earth. Another thing I wanted to show you, of course, is protecting your investment with Scotch Guard, either on your upholstery or on your carpet. Scotch Guard protector or some type of protector is on everything that is made today. It's whether it be carpet or upholstery. When you purchase it, it is protected from the manufacturer, from the factory, so that it can be easier to clean and fight off spills and stains and things of this nature. And you have to be real careful when you bring in a carpet cleaning company and they say they offer a Scotch Guard. A lot of these guys will come in and say they offer it, but do they really know how to apply it? There is a training involved that you should actually go through the house with your customer. You should show them what you're going to do, where you're going to apply it. You should have the customer actually watch you do it and let them see that they are getting everything they're paying for, because there's a lot of guys out there who say that they're going to give it to you, and in reality they aren't. It's a product that requires a great deal of business ethics and integrity, but I believe in it. But because it does do a great job, it protects your investment, and because I know that the next time I come and clean, if I have applied it, your carpet is going to clean very well. And so I benefit and you benefit. Once again, it is a win-win scenario. And then just one last thing very quickly. Everybody likes to show their before and after photos, and anybody can do that. You don't even know that those are photos that they actually did the work at, and they're all over the internet. You can just go get them. But this is a particular area right behind a sofa. If you see the outline here, right here, you see this is where a sofa, actually a sleeper sofa was sitting here, and it was putting these indentions down there. And when I pulled this sofa out to start cleaning, this customer had no idea that these stains were even under here. But these are actually animal stains. This is an animal stain here. This is like a soda or something like that. And we never did determine what this one here was. But all of these stains up under this sofa were very deep down into the backing of the carpet. They weren't just laying on the top. It took some effort to get those out. I had to get my portable spotter out and actually pre-treat those and extract those one at a time before they would actually clean. And then I ran over it with my cleaning equipment, and you can still see the outline of where the sofa was here. And you can see that I got all of the stains out. This yellowing that you see here is just a sun coming in from the window. It's not any additional stain, but it was the best angle I could get to show how clean that it actually had come. So this is just an idea of the kind of work that I do, a little bit about my standards and what I'm all about. I know we're going about 10 minutes here, but if you're watching this video all the way to the end, you're the kind of person that wants to know that the person that you're bringing into your home or your business is someone who stands for integrity, who has ethical principles, who's not just someone who was hired off the streets, but this is my business. My name is on the line. I'm going to do everything I can to earn your business, your trust, and your referrals. And I wanted to show you a little bit about my background so that you could have peace of mind knowing that you're hiring and contracting with the best that the industry has to offer, at least one of the best that the industry has to offer, because I've had the best training from the best certifiers that are out there. It's been a privilege talking with you, and again, if I can be of service to you, please don't hesitate to call me. This is Tony Guthrie. All the best to you.